Sex toys benefits, risks, and instructions for safe use. Because YouTube's policy does not allow posting sensitive images here, if you are interested in sex toys, you can access the link I left in the description below. Sex toys are tools used to support sexual activities of individuals and couples. If you are still unclear, as well as do not know the benefits and how to use sex toys, let's find out with Trey Tim Hoa Hop right after this. Which tools are considered sex toys and how to use them safely? Let's find out right away. What are sex toys? Sex toys are sexual aids for singles, couples, and married couples. In fact, sex toys have been around for a long time with designs made from wood, metal, or other hard materials. However, today, sex toys have been improved in both quality and material, with the aim of creating a smooth, soft, and realistic feeling for the user. If you find that your sex is starting to become bland, quick, and need to find a way to improve, refresh, you can absolutely consider using sex toys. Benefits of using sex toys. Sex toys not only help improve the sex life of individuals and couples, but they also help users explore and satisfy their sexual needs. Below are the benefits of using sex toys that you may know. 1. Help women achieve orgasm easily. Sometimes women will have difficulty achieving orgasm during sex no matter how passionate you are. According to the Kinsey Institute, 70% of women need to experience clitoral stimulation to be able to achieve orgasm. You can absolutely help her climax by using your tongue or fingers. However, these methods are not always a great choice because it depends on the love position of both. Men always try to make their other half have a complete love affair. By using sex toys, you can reduce your own pressure while still helping her reach orgasm. 2. Reduce pressure on your partner. As mentioned above, whether men or women, they all want to make an effort to make their partner climax during sex. Therefore, in order for you to fully enjoy sex as well as reduce the pressure on your partner, you should use 1 to 2 sex toys. With the help of these objects, both of you will experience a more wonderful and passionate sex. 3. Help your partner reach orgasm multiple times. As soon as you and your partner use toys to relieve each other's pressure, you will not only easily reach orgasm, but also be able to reach orgasm multiple times during sex. There is a lot of scientific evidence to prove that the support of sex toys greatly increases the feeling of satisfaction during sex. Therefore, when you are stimulated by your partner and sex toys, you will be in a state where you can easily reach orgasm. You can even reach orgasm multiple times during sex. 4. Make love more intense. A long-term relationship often cannot avoid monotony in each love affair. Therefore, keep the fire by adding a few sex toys to the fun to turn boredom into a fiery love affair. In marriage, love is a very important spice to ensure marital happiness. Using sex toys will make both of you feel more connected emotionally and physically. In addition, the new emotions from these supporting items will bring you and your partner unforgettable experiences. 5. Encourage you to try many new love positions. While looking for new experiences through sex toys, you will want to combine these items with many other love positions. The Kama Sutra Sex Position Guidebook only includes 64 positions, but with the diversity of sex toys and your creativity, you can find many new sex positions that are suitable for you. Popular sex toys today, vibrators or other devices can help bring pleasure and intimacy to a couple's sexual relationship, says Evelyn Fisboyne, a marriage and family therapist at the Mind Spectrum Institute in North Miami Beach, FLA. A vibrator can be a helpful tool during sex that can make your sex life more pleasurable and enriching for you and your partner. 1. Female sex toys. Benoit balls. These are a series of metal balls that are placed inside the vagina and vibrate when the two balls come into contact with each other. Female sex toys Benoit balls can be used primarily for female masturbation. Scented creams and oils, flavors and textures can also be used to enhance pleasure. They help smooth and soften the skin and add flavor to oral sex or body kissing. Sometimes these gels are also used as lubricants. 2. Male sex toys. Pre-shaped condoms. These condoms have a fixed shape that stimulates the inside of the vagina, creating a more exciting feeling during intercourse. Penis rings or penis enlargement devices. These sex toys can help the penis appear larger. Penis rings can also help the erection last longer. In addition, there are many types of sex toys on the market today, from familiar items such as condoms, lubricants, etc. to high-end sex toys such as sex dolls, artificial vaginas, vaginal perfumes, etc. Are sex toys safe? According to Planned Parenthood, experts say that sex toys are generally relatively safe and rarely cause side effects. However, users need to know how to use and preserve them properly. 1. Prevent sexually transmitted diseases. During sex, your and your partner's body fluids, sperm, vaginal fluid, will stick to the toy. Continuous use without thorough cleaning will cause viruses or bacteria to move to your partner. According to statistics, people who share sex toys are more likely to get vaginitis than others. You can avoid sexually transmitted diseases when using sex toys by: do not share this type of toy with others. Keep toys clean, wash them after each use. Use condoms for invasive sex toys such as vaginal vibrators, dildos, anal toys, etc. 2. Avoid blood infection. Absolutely do not share sex toys with others because it can cause infection with diseases and bacteria through fluids and blood. Protect your body when using penetrative sex toys, especially if there are cuts or sores around the vagina, anus, or penis and there is blood, because the risk of infection with diseases such as hepatitis B, C, and HIV is very high. Instructions for proper storage of sex toys. You should note that reputable sex toys should have instructions on how to clean and store them. You should follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Clean sex toys before and after use. For battery-operated toys, you need to remove the batteries before cleaning. Disinfect sex toys by boiling water with a little vinegar. Only use for plastic sex toys without batteries. For silicone toys, you should store them in a cool, dry place with a temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct exposure to sunlight in places with insects, which are prone to mold. Risks that can occur when using sex toys. Sex toys can bring you many benefits in enhancing your experience, but they also have many potential risks. Risks that can occur when using sex toys, causing orgasm disorders, pituitary ovarian disorders, genital damage, and easy transmission of sexually transmitted diseases. Other risks such as allergies to materials from toys can cause pleasure disorders. Remember that open and honest communication is the most important thing. Learn carefully about the different sex toys on the market. When both you and your partner agree, you can use the toy set to help make that thing more exciting. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, follow Harmonious Heart to wait for other useful information on the topic of sexual health. I will leave the link to the Love product below the description for those who are interested.